When we have these random numbers and we have a sequence and we have 10 numbers in each, then we can plot these in a graph. And the easiest way to plot in R is with the plot function. And whenever you have these parentheses, you know it's a function. So this is the plot function. And then you have to specify what you have on the x-axis. We put my sequence on the x-axis because it's the numbers from 1 through 10. And we have my random numbers on the y-axis. After a plot is made, then you should write dev off. So we can just step through here with the Control R. We make the random numbers and the sequence, and then we plot. So here we have our plot. It does not look very great, but we are going to look into this later on in the course to make it more elegant. And then we have the dev off to remove the image, and R is now ready to make another graph. What you can do is that you can save this plot, and you should save it as an SVG, because that's a vector graphics format, which means that you can resize the plot, and you will have a very good resolution no matter what. So for publishing, you should save as SVG and paste it as SVG in your file. And then we have to specify the output of the plot. So for example, let's see if we have the temp folder up. Sorry. And now we can just copy this this path and paste it in here. But we have to remember to put it into these quotes because it's a kind of string. So it's text we are working with, not numbers. And what we also need to do is we need to use the / and not the / because the / is kind of an escape character in R. So now we have the folder directory, and we need the file name. So we just call it fig.svg. So if we just run everything here, run all, we see here that everything was run. And now we can go to the temp folder, and we have a fig.svg, and we can open this in a web browser, and you see here that we have our figure. And most importantly, because we have written this in the SVG format, if we zoom in, it's not grainy, but perfectly, it has a perfect resolution no matter what zoom you are using. So that's how you can make and save plots in R.